Honey is good for our daily health, as well as a powerful cough medicine to relieve coughs. The antibacterial properties in honey work more effectively than over-the-counter cough syrups. Honey helps soothe swollen mucous membranes and relieves cough symptoms including difficulty swallowing. Honey provides natural antibacterial properties that are safe to give to children, in addition to its delicious taste. Honey also poses no risk of drug interactions, as may be a concern with some over-the-counter medications used to relieve coughs. However, honey should not be given to babies under 12 months because of the risk of botulism. Botulism is a rare type of poisoning caused by a poison that attacks the nerves. An easy way to use honey as a cough medicine is to mix honey in warm water. You can also add honey to a mixture of lemon juice, ginger, or apple cider vinegar. Citing very well health, the American Heart Association recommends limiting added sugar to around 30 grams a day, so it's important to keep your daily honey intake to less than 6 teaspoons. For the type of honey used can actually be anything, but the type of honey that is darker in color is best. Darker honey is more effective than lighter honey and provides quicker relief. The best time to consume honey is before going to bed because it helps to get a good night's sleep. At that time there are no disturbances and honey can cover the inflamed area and help the cough heal faster. A 2010 study tested the effect of honey along with a cough medicine, dextromethorphan, and an antihistamine, diphenhydramine, on night coughs due to upper respiratory tract infections in 139 children. As a result, it was found that honey had a more potent cough reliever than the other two drugs. Another study in 2012 tested 3 types of honey, eucalyptus, citrus, and labiati, in coughs caused by upper respiratory infections. The researchers found that all 3 types of honey were better than a placebo in reducing the frequency and severity of coughing. Children and parents with coughs also reported that they slept better at night after taking honey as a cough medicine, than when using a placebo. Keep in mind, honey is only one way to relieve coughs. Often, a cough from an upper respiratory infection improves by staying hydrated and getting plenty of rest. If the cough lasts more than 3 weeks and is accompanied by shortness of breath, or occurs with a fever, see a healthcare provider.